10,000, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 rupees, or say 1 lakh rupees, or whether you want to go to and have a global exposure, lead a country, becoming a CEO of a company, or whether you want to have your own startups and all that. So that vision should be there before starting your all this career and all that. That is the thing, and that's why all this will basically surely help you to whatever I will be speaking, or whatever information I will be giving about the education systems in India, Germany, USA, new education policy. So that will surely help you to take the decisions, to think in a proper manner, to plan in a proper manner. So that is only intention of this today's webinar. So basically, just a minute, some technical snag is there. So, yeah. So basically, we have received lot of awards for our work, for our contribution, for our research in the field of education. And Champions of Change Award we received at the hands of Honorable ex-Vice President of India. At that time, he was a Vice President of India and Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. So Venkaiah Naidu ji. So this award was given to us by the Niti Aayog Planning Commission of India. We have also received Pride of the Nation Award at the hands of Rajnath Singh ji, Honorable Defense Minister of India. This award was given to us on the Vijay Divas, very, very emotional connection with the Indian defense system. This is a very, very special day where 40,000 this army, Pakistani army surrendered to India. So that is a special day for us. We have also received Maharashtra Gaurav Award at the hands of Nitin Gadkari ji, Uttar Maharashtra Ratna Puraskar at the hands of then Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Devendra Fadnavis ji. So this award was given to us alongside Swargiya Lata Mangeshkar ji and Pratham Mahila Rashtrapati of India, Shri Pratibhatai Patil ji. Best Career Counselor Award in India. I have also received International Iconic Achievers Award in Moscow, Russia in 2019 for my contribution in the field of education. I have received Mayor Innovation Award at Nagpur, Maharashtra. Also, I have got Best Career Counselor in Maharashtra Award at the hands of eminent research foundations. We have also received 45 to 50 awards. Even we have been felicitated in the UK Parliament House of Lords. That was a very, very prestigious moment for us. So all these awards is not about sharing. It is all about the inspiration to work in a more dedicated manner for the welfare of the students. And as I shared with you, we are an academy of academicians. So Dr. Donald C. Martin, who is the ex-dean of Columbia University, the 4th ranked university in the world, Ivy League, very, very prestigious university. He is around 65, 67 years of age with more than 40 years of experience. So one who has evaluated more than 150,000 application, international application across streams. So such a person is guiding the students for career planning and admissions in the topmost universities in the world. What I will be talking will be above the IIT level. So what I mean to say is not every student in India is getting the quality education, quality exposure, research exposure. They are just getting the degrees here. So when we think about the system, top 1,000 universities in the world, top 800 universities in the world, top 500 universities in the world, affordable education and quality education is the fundamental right of every student. It is how we groom our students and all that. So that's why we should think about all the possibilities. We should think about all the developmental aspects. Whatever changes are coming so fast that previously in 2 years back, 2G was there, 3G. Now research is going on 10G also. So we don't have the exposure for that. Mobiles are changing, laptops are changing, communication is changing, artificial intelligence is coming, and day by day the employment is coming down nowadays. That is a huge problem in the IT industry nowadays. Lot of layoffs are going on. because of the artificial intelligence. So we have to get ourselves adapted to the new changes in the world and accordingly prepare ourselves for all the coming challenges and our self growth also, professional growth also. And that's why our zest should be there for the quality education. Now, as far as India is concerned, India is having IIT. There are 3, 4 types of institutions are there. One is the Indian Information of Technology, Indian Institute of Technology. There are around 23 IITs across India with current around 17,385 BTech seats are available for the programs. And more than 254,000 students will be appearing for the JEE advanced examination with the caste system in India. Around 66% reservation is there. So basically, what are the chances per category wise? If we will think, what are the chances of into it? So IITs, then NITs are there. Around 31 NITs are there with around 23,997 seats available across streams with around 13,664 postgraduate seats. Triple ITs, so triple ITs are around 26 triple ITs are there in India and around 7,746 seats are available for us. So in 2023, around 8,60,064 students registered for the JEE mains, and today around 12,21,615 candidates have registered for the examination, with more than 11,70,000 appeared, almost a difference of 4 lakh students. But contrary to this, what is the number of seats available in the topmost institutions? We really have to think about this. Don't see that you should have a practical approach while planning the career. So this is the thing. Now, basically, JEE Advanced will be there on 26th of May with more than 2.5 lakh students will be applying for that. So what are the other options available in India? I always say we should go to the autonomous institutions always. There are state government institutions, private institutions, deemed universities are there. So always check. Now, all the universities in India, since we are under the implementation of new education policy and internationalization of the education is a core for development. It is the basis of development. And that's why a lot of institutions are now coming towards becoming autonomous, or they are changing itself towards the private universities, or they are changing themselves as a deemed universities also. So they need the autonomy. They need to develop the syllabuses. One lecturer a few days back, he was the head of the department of one good reputed institution in the mechanical department. So he came to me for the guidance of his student, and then he shared with me, sir, whatever I studied or experienced during my 25 years back, the syllabus is same. There is no development of government institutions and all that. There are no changes. And basically, our approach is totally theoretical, whereas engineering is totally skill-based programs are required now. Industrial exposure has to be given to the students. Unless and until the industry collaboration at the university level, involvement at the university level will improve, the quality of education will be stagnant. And that's why it is important to go to the autonomous institutions. And now, BITS, Pilani like universities, VIT Vellore. VIT Vellore is the only institution, almost 2 institutions, which has the Abbott accreditation. So Abbott accreditation, like NAC accreditation, Abbott accreditation is the American accreditation. So they have international university tie-ups, or their credits. When you go for abroad studies, all your transcripts will be evaluated by the World Education Service. And at that time, what is the quality of education? What is the level of education? Depending on that, the fundings will be available for you. The scholarships will be available for you. The quality of institutions will be available for you based on that. And hence, it is always you go for, it is not about the territorial priorities. It is not about the emotional thinking, my son should be with me only. How good institution you can provide For that, we have to do lot of hard work, lot of strategies, and lot of analytical approach should be there to get into the best of the universities in India also. So these are some of the universities. They have their own system. Through JEE also they can accept, but they also have their own test, their aptitude test, their entrance examinations are there. So you should go to all these institutions like Nirma Ahmedabad, Sharda, VIT Vellore, MIT Pune, Nirma Institute, MIT University, SRM Chennai, VIT Vellore is the Abbott accredited. BITS Pilani University is there. So all these are good. As far as the Maharashtra is concerned, in Maharashtra at around 500 plus BTech colleges are available at the taluka level, at the district level, and all that. All this around 500 plus BTech institutions are there. Around 457 colleges are privately owned colleges, and 43 are the public and government organizations are there. So all this is there. And secondly, autonomous private and government institution, deemed university. So basically, as far as JEE is concerned, or NIT admissions are concerned, so what are the criteria of listing or publishing the merit list actually? So what happens? Ki only 16,000 something, 17,000 something seats are available with 66% reservation. So whatever seats are available for the open category candidates, so you will see the merit. So SC, ST, OBC, all other caste will be competing for the open category slots. So they will be having an additional advantage. They can go for the SC, ST seats also, and they can also think about if on the merit basis, if they are getting the open category seats, they will be first claiming their right or their seat on the open category. And then they will see, the system will see whether they will be getting the SC or ST seats and all that. So when the merit list is published, generally it is general, then general EWS, economically weaker section, then OBC NCL will be applicable for that, SC, ST candidates or physically handicapped candidates, everybody will be competing for the open category candidates. As far as general EWS section is concerned, economically weaker section is concerned, so general EWS and general EWS physically handicapped persons will be eligible for that. Somebody who is having the more income or having the more farmland or having the property outside the criteria set by the government authorities, they will not be eligible for this quota. For the OBC non-creamy layer level, if you are a government employee or if you are a OBC candidate but your income is below 8 lakhs, then only you will be getting the non-creamy layer. Or based on the appointments also, the non-creamy layer has been given to the based on the employment of your previous employment or postings. So those who are having the income more than that, they will not be getting they will be considered as open category candidate. Now SC, ST, so for SC seats, only SC candidates will be eligible for that. For OBC seats, only OBC candidates will, whereas for the open seat, all will be eligible for that. So when the merit list will be declared, there will be an open general list, there will be a general EWS list, there will be OBC NCL list, then there will be SC list, there will be ST list, then there will be open physically handicapped list, then there will be general EWS physically handicapped list, then there will be OBC NCL physically handicapped list, then there will be SC handicapped list, and there will be ST handicapped list. So this will be divided into so many things. Last year, this was the criteria कि minimum percentage of mark in JEE Advanced was 10 and minimum percentage was around 35% for the open category. This is given there. And the minimum for the preparatory course is that for the reservation category, they will be having one additional year of the thing and where they will be trained for taking up the main programs. Like the preliminary and categorical year, it is like that. So for the preparatory course, the basic is 2.5 should be the minimum marks score, percentage of marks scored in each subject, and 8.75 overall. As far as NITs are concerned, in a national institute, home quota is there, state quota is there. Outside state means every state has their own NIT, and most of the NITs have the 50% quota reserved, or certain quotas are there which are reserved for the particular state only, and the rest will be open for the all India candidature. So according to that, the common rank list will be published depending on all these factors. So basically, what are the rules for this Indian system and all that? So first, depending on the qualifications, eligibility, everybody should learn. Everybody should go through the complete information brochure published by the JOSA, and secondly by the JOSSA, double SA, SAA, JOSA board, joint authority, which will be handling the complete process for this rounds and all that. So you should go for this, and basically you should go through the information brochure there, published there. So joint seat allotment authority, JOSA is. So you should go through the information brochure. You should also refer to the last year brochure. This year, some new rules can be there. So you should have knowledge of each and every aspect about the information brochure, about the rules given there. That's why the error-free application should be there. If you are making some error in the process, so that can cost you your seat, your admission. And that's why it is very, very crucial to go through all the rules and regulation published by the state authorities or the central authorities, JOSA board and all that. So JOSA is basically a joint admission board and the central seat allocation board that combinedly make the JOSA. All this, and then all the 6 rounds will be through the JOSA. So first is registration and filling choices, then acceptance of mock allotments will be there, then you can rearrange your choices, then you accept the seats given, then upload the papers, pay the acceptance fees, and respond to, if any problems are there with your papers, you need to respond to the queries of the admission officer. Secondly, there are rules. There are certain rules in state also. Freeze option is there, float option is there, and slide option is there. If you are getting the number 1 choice, so it will automatically be freezed. If you are leaving that choice, if you have put IIT Powai number 1 or NIT Nagpur at number 1 choice, according, and if you are getting that, so only one option will be there, that will be the freeze. You need to freeze that. If you are, or you leave the seat, exit the seat. So once you are doing rejecting the seat, in that case, you will be out of the rounds. You cannot participate again. So that is very, very crucial. The float and sliding options will be available who are not getting the preferred first choice. For them, sliding means you are getting the institution, desired institution, but you want to change the branch. You can go with the similar institution, but you are opting for a higher choice of branch. Freeze means whatever is given to you, you are accepting that. And till the 5th round, it is available, you slide and all that, and all this is available. And float means you want to upgrade the institution. If you have filled up 100 choices or whatever choices are there, according to the sub, and then you want to float, you want to upgrade. So system will try to give you the seat from top to bottom, and you will be upgraded from bottom to top. So that is a float option. Now, the more important is the knowing about the provisions in new education policy. What happens? Students who are going to the IITs, they are getting crores of rupees as a package. NITs, they are getting lakhs of rupees as a package. Whether the students, a normal student, going to the local colleges or other state-owned colleges, they are getting mediocre salaries or lower salaries. So there is till now, there was no chance for the students to upgrade this institution in second year, third year of time, or to change the careers, or to add the subjects or to move to another abroad opportunities. So now the new education policy has certain provisions which can really give you great avenues, great prospects for your career. So I will be telling you regarding this. Now there is a transfer program or twinning program available for you. With a multiple entry exit has been provided to the students during the academic year, during their credit based system is there now. Credit means value of the subject per week, per semester. You had to complete that much of credits. So based on that, you will be given the certificate, you will be given the diploma, or you will be given the final degree based on the credit value. So now student can leave the institution, any stream other than medical, any college, any university, any course, can apply, have the provision for multiple entry exit into the system, into the college. Now you can change the college, you can upgrade the college. Now the BITS Pilani can publish the ad in the second year ki I have this much of 30 number of seats available for this branch in the second year directly. So you can, or in the third year, some students have gone internationally. Now they will be publishing this. And the student, based on their first year results and all that and number of credits, can reapply for the credit transfer there. Or you can complete, this is the education policy. So the new education policy, the basic thing is that now academic bank of credit has been provided to the students. So whatever credits you are earning during your course, that will be transferred to the academic, that will be stored in the academic of bank of credit, and then you can redeem the credits. So what happens? You are doing your first year or second year from MIT, or your first year, second year from VIT, or first year, second, any of the college, and then you are doing your rest of the degree course from the topmost universities in the world. If you want to go to Columbia, you want to go for Texas, you want to go for best of the institution, Germany also, for the free education system. So what you will be doing, you will be completing your 1 year or 2 year or 3 years of education here, and then you will be applying for the credit transfer with the WES evaluation. So all your accumulated credits will be evaluated by the authority, and then you can apply for the credit transfer to the world system. So you will be paying fees for the remaining credits only. So you will be getting a affordable education, and education best than IITs also, from the topmost institutions in United States or Germany, like countries and all that. Or even in India, if you are into the system and you want to upgrade your institution, you can, nobody can challenge your this. This is a law now in India. You can upgrade your universities. You can, if somebody is in engineering and if he wants to add psychology to his subject, now the cluster formation, according to the new education policy, the cluster formation will be there. So if you want to add a business subject, or you want to take up economics, or you want to take up human resource and all that, you can take it. You can take one particular subject from in the cluster, or you can completely change your career in United States. You can take some, if you are not liking the subject, you can totally change your career with whatever credits available. That will be get adjusted, and you can add up some more subjects to your profile. So all this is given on a www.abc.government.in. This is a website. All this I have taken from the education policy. This is available for the students for now. Till now, you are just focusing on admission, engineering admission. बस मेरे बच्चे का इंजीनियरिंग हो जाना चाहिए, मेरे को और कुछ भी पता नहीं है, मेरे को मुझे पता ही नहीं कि क्वालिटी एजुकेशन क्या है, मुझे क्या करना है. This is the page number. This is page number 9 of the new education policy. First year exit. So first year exit has been provided there. Now this is page number another level. Second year exit. So with you will be getting the 72 to 80 credits, and then you will be transferring yourself after the 4 semesters. So what is the advantage? You are getting the basically degree from the topmost institutions in the world, more job prospects, you will become a better professional, exposure, your global acceptance of your degrees, affordable education, means going to the best institution in the world with a cheaper cost. You can have a benefit in masters also. You will be getting more scholarship. Your acceptance of US degrees and all that will be more in the world. You will be getting the benefit of that. So all this is available for the students now. All this is available in the Indian system of engineering. Already we have launched this. We have a collaboration with MIT like institutions and all that. Where the separate batches with a credit transfer will be there, because students will be vacating the seats in any time of the year for better prospects. So all this is available for you. Now Germany. Why should be Germany? Because Germany is the #1 engineering system in the world. Quality, precision, best of the universities, free education. 70% of the institutions in Germany, my own son is in Germany right now in the Technische Fachhochschule, highest level of institution, and with a 0% tuition fees in Germany. English medium programs are available. Unemployment ratio is only 3.5%. Skill-based programs are available. Directly the people from industry will come and teach you. Global education is available. Professors from 13, 14 countries can, there is a special week where they come, or month, they will be giving a complete 1 month education on different developments of a particular subject, like solar energy or anything. They will be coming and they will be teaching you. You can take 1 semester of foreign semester abroad. All these facilities are available for you with a very, very affordable cost. So why not to go for best institutions in the world with affordable education? In Pune only, more than 350 companies, German companies have invested money in Pune only. In Pune, every year 15,000 students appear for the German language only. For the German language proficiency, to get sensitized to the German culture and all that. Very, very affordable education. 0% fees is there. Great employment opportunities. Great research. So technical universities are there and applied sciences universities are there. So in Germany, 13th year of education is required. जैसे अपने यहाँ पे 10+2 सिस्टम है, वैसे जर्मनी में 10+3 सिस्टम है. So you will be completing, the first year is called as the foundation year or Studienkolleg. So after completing of the 13th year, then you will be doing the 3 to 3.5 years of your bachelors, followed by masters. So the number of credits available in 3 are more than India. So great. So there are 2 types of universities: University of technical universities and University of Applied Sciences. So the University of Applied Sciences are industrial oriented. And technical universities, those who want to go for research, PhD programs and all that, TU9 are world famous in the world. And University of Applied Sciences are providing absolute industrial exposure, great exposure. Internships are there with the big companies. They absorb you from the internships and all that. Great salaries. The starting salaries are around 40,000 euros. Almost, you can say 40 lakh rupees per year, 36 lakhs, 40 lakh rupees per year. Basic salaries are there. So great availability. So technical universities already taught the PhDs, masters, research, fellowships program. All these are technical universities. And then the University of Applied Sciences, they are called as Fachhochschule. So all these are available with the industries. Private universities are also there. 70% of the programs are free. So 13th year of education. So there are 2 types going to the Germany. One is a traditional way, one is a modern way. So in traditionally, you will have to complete the B2 level of German language proficiency, give the test AS examination, give the IELTS examination. Here test AS examination is an aptitude test, which will be evaluating your cognitive abilities only. There is no pass and fail. It will be in June right now. So very, very easy examination. So you go through that, and if somebody has cleared the JEE Advance, he will be getting the 13th year exemption from the system, 1 year exemption. So basically, great branches nowadays, like AI ho gaya, data science ho gaya, Internet of Things, CS, all these branches are coming up. But robotics, this disciplinary branches like mechatronics, the combination of mechanical, electrical, and the computer sciences, software engineering. So that gives us a complete exposure, because anything will be available for you at the master's level. Automation is going on everybody in the tremendously in the world. So that plays a great, AI is available, embedded system is available for you. In that case, electronics is available for you, mechatronics is available for you, then artificial intelligence is available for you, cyber security is available for you. All branches are available for you with a multidisciplinary, but you will be having a complete knowledge for the systems. All these options are there. I'm not saying that other branches are not good. This is not my comment. I'm telling you the business and engineering. I was talking about the multidisciplinary approach Indian government has taken in the new education policy. Now, this branch is missing in India. So, my son is doing business and engineering. So, in business and engineering, complete right from the economics, financial planning, quality control, logistics, international trade law, human resource, marketing, sales, quality control, production, everything is there, along with mechatronics specialization, mechanical specialization, everything is available for you. You are there for any type of industry. Great prospects. Computer science is there, robotics is there. Now, China is deploying the robots in the defense system. In United States, or even in now 40%, 50% of the surgeries are not done by the doctors. They are done by the doctors with the precision, with the robots. Robotic surgeries are coming up. So great changes are coming in the field. Whatever you are learning in the 4 years of time, when you come out of in the market, the complete technology is changed. So you should have the exposure for that. Logistics, engineering, and management, English student call, all this is available for you. Great branches. English medium programs are available for you. Any branch. If you want to go for a medical sciences is in German language, that is totally free there. But you will settle down in Germany. Great opportunity. In India, the cost of medical education is in crores. So we can provide you the guaranteed route, English medium route for best of the colleges there. 0% fee. You need to work on the profiles and all that, but we are not aware. You can do 1 year in India also, and then you can go to the rest of the credit transfer. You can take the credit transfer. You do first year in India, and you can apply for the credit transfer to the German universities, and remaining you complete your remaining course from Germany. Better than IITs or at the level of IITs. So why not to think about this? Test examination is compulsory. IELTS, at least you should have A2 level of German language proficiency. Blocked account is required in Germany. 11,200, 1 years of living expenses you have to show. So they refund you 934 euros per month. Every student, my son is working there for 20 hours in a week. So every student is working there for 20 hours in a week to earn his living. So they get a professional exposure. They enhance their life skills. They adapt to different cultures. So it is all about developing yourself as a complete human being, complete global personality. It is not about only having a degree. That does not have any value. So all this is available for you. Study in college and all that. So there are different foundation years, technical, medical, management, humanities. So this type of, depending on the what branch you are taking, depending on that, we will be taking up the foundation year, means 13th year of education, which will be followed by that. So traditionally, you will be giving the B2 level of German language, then you will be completing the entrance examination to go into the foundation year, which will be followed by the pre-university examination. and then you will bachelor's will start. This pathway is there. Another is modern pathway. You will be going for an English medium program in the affiliated accredited student colleges, which will be followed by your bachelor's. So before going from India, you will be having an admit letter of the universities there. Many paid programs are also there. So FSP examination is the pre-university examination. So in IELTS, minimum 6.5 band score is required. Those from the international board or Cambridge board, so IELTS can be the waiver for them if they have more than 70% of marks. So these are the documents, updated resume. We will have to apply for the academic proficiency certification with the Germany based on the test and your 12th results. And IELTS and German language, we will be applying for that. For English medium program, German language is not mandatory, but it is always good to have one foreign language or take it proficiency, because that will open up multiple employment opportunities for you and you will get sensitized to the German culture. You can work anywhere in Europe with German degrees across the globe. They are accepted on Schengen visa. You can shift to any of the countries in the Europe. Statement of purpose, great academic record, good marks in 10th, 11th, 12th. This is the pre-requirement for this. Letter of recommendation from the faculties, statement of purpose, why you want to go for a particular branch. You need to write down the essays for that. That is a great value. Each precise application should be there without any mistakes. Now, USA education system, greatest education system in the world, I tell you. New education policy is the combination we have taken from the ancient system, knowledge system of India in combination with the American system. So what are the advantages? It is a credit-based system. It has a multidisciplinary approach, means along with biology, my niece is there. So along with biology, she is studying business. Or doctor can become engineer in United States. An engineer can become doctor in United States. You can anytime change the career. You can take 2 different majors at a time. Have your specializations. And third is great research available. The research is the heart of nectar of this system. Without research, nothing moves in the United States. So, and lot of affordable education policy. Already I told you about the transfer student program, training program, and a pathway to the US and Germany. Now, USA education system, you always should have a focus on career rather than the course. Where do you say, Dhirubhai Ambani was not a engineer. He was not an IITian. He used to fill up the petrol on the petrol pump. How could he open up such a big industry, oil system, refinery in the world? It is all about how you groom yourself, how you develop yourself, academically, non-academically. So multidisciplinary approach and focus should be on that. So admissions are based on 3 criteria: academic, non-academic, and standardized test. It is based on that. That is called as analytical ability. So what is basically all the courses, right from engineering, psychology, robotics, mechatronics, biomedical engineering, environmental sciences, business and engineering, psychology, everything is available in United States for you at great scholarship. You can go to the United States at cheaper cost than India also if you plan early, after completion of certain criteria. So what is this academics includes? We have special programs right from 9th. Students are enrolled for, we mentor them for the top 300 universities in the world. So basically, academics covers marks starting from 9th standard onwards, work done in the area of specialization, any school projects you have done, scientific projects you have done, whether you have done some research, advanced placement examination. Go on collegeboard.org. So advanced placement, there are 37 different subjects. You can choose 5 subjects. Like physics, the paper will be there on magnetism, electricity. Maths, calculus 1 and calculus 2. English. So multiple. So this will give you the edge over others. You will get the credit where it is like double promotion. Credit waiver is there. and top Ivy League institutions, they have the weightage for this. Lot of scholarships are there based on the AP examinations and all that. So all this will be considered under the academic profile. The non-academic profile, social service. One of our candidate, he was a 65-70% student from Alandi, near Pune, Sant Ganeshwar's place. So he used to visit to the blind school and he used to play with the blind children and tell them the Panchatantra stories. This was a regular feature of his life. Once in a month, 15 days in a month, once in a week, in the holidays. You will not believe he got around 1.25 crores of scholarship for this activity. Plantation activity. We are not at all grooming our children. They are just going to the big institutions and studying there for 10 hours, 12 hours for the marks. Most of the students, 90% or 95%, 98% are not even qualifying the examination. We are just seeing the big advertising boards of different institutions and all that. We are not concerned. We are fixed up in the vicious circle. So overall growth, old age home, blood donation, hobbies in the sports, what are your participation in the sports? Winning is not important. Your attitude is important. Old age home service, Bharat Swachhata Abhiyan, plantation activity, organ donation pledge, drug abuse, all this will be considered. If somebody is doing Kathak or Bharatnatyam, that will be considered under the non-academics also. 25% scholarships are based on this. Selection is not only based on the marks. English proficiency, IELTS and TOEFL. Analytical ability, the SAT examination is there. ACT or SAT. So the SAT has numerical and the comprehension. Analytical ability and comprehension. Now India has implemented, central government has implemented CUET. So it is based on the SAT and AP examination. Are you aware in India, 45 universities, private and all that, autonomous universities are accepting SAT score also. So 1300 plus should be the score. So you can get with early application. Means if you want to go for 2025 intake in August, and if you are doing your applications in the August of 2024, you can get 100% scholarships based on this. In MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, the #1 institute in the world, more than 85 students have more than 90% of scholarships. Stanford University has more than 2 lakh crore as a research fund available, which is twice the budget of education in India. One single university. So we need to build up this profile, and based on this, lot of scholarships are available. So you can think about these options. My niece is going for a psychology. She got a admit in North Texas, and California University has given her $58,000 scholarship. North Texas has given a complete dean scholarship, 100%, including living. Transfer students, now many students are going for transfer. They are not taking their degrees. They will complete half of the education here, half of there. So all this is going on in the world. Be aware about it. 6th level maths, and it is there. AP examination, already I told you. Syllabus is 9th, 10th and 11th. You can target this. Lot of funding. So funding are based on this. Then in-state and out-state fees in United States. In-state is half the cost of out-state fees. Then you can get a research assistantship there. On the if you are during your bachelor's, see, every student has a different fee structure in United States. Somebody is paying full fees, somebody is paying 0% fees. So research assistantship is you are assisting for the research. So they may recommend you the scholarship. Teacher assistantship, you are involved into a lot of projects and assisting the teachers, international projects and all that. So the corporate can fund you your complete things. In-state and out-state fees. Lot of options are there. An early application, good academic profile, non-academic profile, essays. You have to write down multiple essays. Each university will ask you to write 4 to 5 essays. So if your writing skill is good, scholarships are based on your essays, admissions are based on your essays and speaking abilities also. So multiple great opportunities are available for you. Think about, so we have the mentoring programs where we completely plan the education for students. We can groom them for this. Now also those who are in the 12th and all that, they can plan immediately. We can plan this, all these things. Go to the best in the world. Bank loans are available, which has to be repaid. If you have some relative in United States, he is ready to take guarantee to 4 to 5% rate of interest, 3 to 4% bank loans are available. Even in India, after completion of the bachelors, from the salaries after 4 years of moratorium, 5 years of, you can start the repayment. The student will be earning in dollars, then he can repay that. So lot of there, 75 and 80% of the effort is the choosing the application, choosing the, when you will get the IIT, when your profile will match with the IITs. When you will get the triple ITs, when your profile will match with that requirement. When we will get the CUET Pune or VJIT in Mumbai or ICT in Mumbai, when your profile will match with that. So similarly, depending on the academic, financial, all that, we can choose the universities and accordingly apply. And then you can upgrade the universities in United States. You can change the universities. Means you are doing your first 2 or 3 semester or 4 semester in a cheaper college. You built up your profile. You take lesser number of subject in the per semester, and then you are applying for a transfer, and then applying for a great universities, more better universities. So that university can give you scholarship, and you will be paying the fees for remaining of the semesters only. So all this is available for you, all the programs, proper documentation, creation of CV, digital CV. If you are doing some project, you should have a small 2 minutes of video for that, or reel for that. What you have learned from that. For all your non-academic activities, prepare that. If you want to go for design, architecture, have your drawing portfolio ready. It is critical thinking, speaking skills, letter of recommendation has a huge importance. What your teacher is thinking about you as a student. Essay writings, these are way. So we should work on our vocabularies. We should work on our writing skills, communication skills, critical thinking. If the stress situation is there, how calm you are, how you can, somebody in COVID earn crores of rupees and some business have lost completely. They are finished. So critical thinking is very, very important nowadays. How you handle the stress, how innovative you are. You should apply 1 year in advance for these programs. So you will get huge scholarship. It is not only based on, timing is most crucial for this. If you are applying late, you will not get the scholarship. Generally, the fall intake have maximum scholarship. There are 2 intakes, Jan and August. So August has more in scholarship. Jan also has scholarship, but fewer scholarships. So how we help? We help with the career planning. If somebody is not comfortable, I've always tell the students, parents specifically, don't go with the opinion of others. So always you should plan your career based on your skill and abilities and interest. This should match. So career planning is very, very important. To be with the help of AI tools and all that, we completely plan the career for them. If your physics is not good, if your logic is not good, you cannot do the civil and mechanical engineering, all branches. Profile evaluation, we help with the bank loan assistance, scholarships and funding, end-to-end application process, shortlisting, career identification, AI-based psychometric analysis, everything. Complete mentoring program is there from 9th to 12th, where we built up the academic and non-academic, and in 12th only the applications will go of the students to the best of the universities, both for US and Germany. For Germany, the pathway programs are there. Everything is available. So this is our contact numbers. You can take the screenshot for this. And basically, 9370999947820820 820-846-1316, 820-846-1316, or 90215-9009, 90215-90. All these numbers you can connect, book the appointment online with us, and we can have one-to-one sessions. We can plan accordingly. We can help you with the complete engineering process in India also. Everything we can help you. So get connected with us, and then accordingly we can do the counseling session for you. So now we can take the question and answer session. We can surely take that. If somebody wants to ask, you can ask. Any questions? Or chat box also you can put. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. If any questions, yeah. Could you share the recording of this? Yes, I will surely share that. Surely, surely. If any of the doubts, second question, just a minute. Any questions, you can put in the chat box also. Mr. Reddy, Yash, Tanisha. Average cost of education in USA. See, USA, basically average is $30,000 can be the cost of education in United States. But as I told you, it is totally based on the profile of yours, how you are applying, where you are applying, and how is your academic, non-academic profile. So there are certain community institutions which are at 5-6 lakhs rupees also. Now one of my student went to the Purdue University with complete funding for the program. My own niece is going, मेरे बहन की बच्ची अभी इसके लिए जा रही है, तो उसको नॉर्थ टेक्सास में 100% स्कॉलरशिप मिला हुआ है. सो ये सब अपने को प्रोफाइल करना पड़ता है. सो एक एवरेज कॉस्ट जो पकड़ते हैं वो एक डिसेंट यूनिवर्सिटीज आर अवेलेबल फ्रॉम $10,000-12,000 to the $50,000-60,000. So based on that, even on the income basis, they say Harvard will say that those parents who are having the 90,000 below income in dollars, so they are eligible for the need-based scholarship, provided they are completing all our parameters for the admission. They should have the best of the candidates. They can sponsor you that. So a lot of education loans, everything is available. Lot of scholarships are available. Any more questions? Yeah. Okay. So I think no more questions are there. If you want to connect with me, so please, you can book the appointment. Our representatives will call you. Our team members will call you for that. And then we can surely have the session. You can surely write your comments on the chat box. How was the session, whether it was informative or not. So you can please put up so that we can improve on that. You can surely write. What is another way to go to the Germany? English taught. In Germany, basically, you can surely give the test examination now in June. And from November, you can, based on your 12th results and based on 10th and 12th results, test and IELTS examination, we will be giving you A1 and A2 basic German tutoring for just knowledge of yours. That will not be a compulsory thing for that. And then you will start with we will apply to the multiple universities, and you can go to the English medium affiliated, accredited student college, which will be given to you by the government universities. And then you will complete your 13th year of education, which will be followed by the bachelor's. Bachelor's will be free, and your first year will be the paid one. So around 8,000-9,000 euros is the fees for the first year. But complete your bachelor's is just, there is 6 monthly contribution is there of 160 euros for towards library and police protection. The rest your complete program, the English taught programs are available. Many programs are there. You can go for a paid programs also. English taught paid programs are also available in great universities. directly you can go for the English taught programs also. That is also available. So going through this robotics, business and engineering, mechatronics, top branches are available, and you can surely go for the English medium program. Total fee for English, there are free programs. Total fee is free program. Total expenditure is that in Germany, you need to open up a blocked account. The blocked account is compulsory for the 1 year fees. That is 11,208 euros. You will have to deposit with the Deutsche Bank or Kotak Mahindra Bank or Expatrio, Fentiba, Oracle. And once you move to the Germany and do your local mutations and do in the city registrations, so they will be then you will be opening up your saving bank account in Germany, and this account will get unblocked, and that monthly 934 euros will be transferred to you there in Germany. So that is the thing. And overall, your first 2 months of expenses, you need to carry your 2 months of expenses, application cost, flight ticket, and all that. So not more than 20 to 23 lakhs can be the total cost of education in Germany for this English, including your blocked account. I'm talking including blocked account. And if you are working there, from next year, you will start working there 20 hours in a week, so you can earn your living. And fees, there is a 0% fees for the free programs technical. So all this is possible because of the research funds available with the universities. Each university has 500 crore rupees of research funds available. They are not dependent on your fees. And if you are going for a paid universities, available paid universities are there. So anyway, between 30 to 40 lakhs, 30 to 50 lakhs can be the total cost of education in Germany, in the private universities or paid universities. This includes average cost. Our services are available from 5,000 rupees to 3 lakh rupees. Different services are there. 5,000 rupees services also there. Complete pathway programs are also available for you. We have a mentoring program right from 9th to 12th where we groom the student for best of the universities in the world for the US and Germany. So that is a $9,000, $10,000 program for 3 years. That is a 3 years program. But you are saving 1 crore rupees, 50 lakh, 70 lakh rupees of your education cost and going to the much better universities. Then our Germany programs are based on what services you need. So right from 5,000 rupees, 3,000, 5,000 rupees to 3.5 lakh rupees is the total cost is there. Because in free education, nobody is going to give me commissions. Even in United States, we are not, if I am taking, who will be giving me commission where the admits are not happening? And if I'm taking the commission from the universities, your scholarships chances will be compromised. So that's why we don't believe on this system. We try to get best of the topmost universities for the students, and maximum try to, we cannot promise, but we can surely give the benefits to the students. So all this is there. Affordable, completely plans are there. So you can connect with us for this, and then take a session 1-to-1. Don't waste the timing. Don't waste the time. So I will stop now, and we'll call you to us. Surely you can connect with us.